Excite! But nah, look. Barry's cool. The little girl is, she's fine.
Adorable.
She's fine. She's adorable.
She's a damsel in distress.
The villains are.
She's better than
The villains are cool. They're a little boring, but they're cool. I mean, you know, they don't do much. They just do creepy shit. You know.
They looking vast and shit. Fucking Trigun.
I did. You know, I did like the environmental theme of it. I especially.
It hits home because
Hits home.
that's what we're doing now.
I love the rider kick. I love the fact that his henshin is like.
Something like that.
Can I say it now?
I want to close with that, unless you're done.
No, I'm not done. I'm not done. But look, at the end of it, I feel like the whole Kamen Rider getting huge thing was like an homage to Ultraman. Because Kamen Riders have never gotten huge. Except in the movie where Kamen Rider 1 and, I think Kamen Rider 1 and Ultraman got together.
You serious?
Yeah, there was a little movie. It hasn't been subbed, but Justice Time airs it all
Was
the
that
time.
episode of Decade where Momotaros almost got huge?
Almost
and
got
then he
huge.
didn't.
And then he didn't. That's the story of his life. Anyhow, in the movie, Ultraman somehow makes Kamen Rider 1 huge, and while Ultraman's firing this thing at the little hand beam, the cross beam at the monster, Kamen Rider 1 does a rider kick, so at the same time they fuck it up. But they're both huge. So ever since that, I don't think a rider's ever gotten big. I really like that about Jay. His rider kick from the heavens was awesome. The character itself, like I said, wasn't like as interesting as the one in ZO. He didn't have that image.
The edge.
He didn't have the edge. He didn't have the power. He didn't have the keyboard. You know?
He had motivation though, at least.
He had motivation.
You did not find
He was better than Shin, but
Shin was just pissing himself off.
Shin was just-
he was like,
I
I
have
don't like
been-
being an experiment.
Well, that's the thing. The same thing. Think about it. The same thing happened in ZO. He was an experiment, but he dealt with it.
He did. He was like, I made
saved
an
the
experiment,
kid.
and I don't know who I am.
That being
But I'll
said,
protect this little kid.
I can understand that
Yeah.
in Shin he has no control over it at first, at least that we know of. Because
Yeah.
originally we think it's him killing all these people.
It
It's not.
started
It's
off-
eyebrows.
It's
yeah,
It started
eyebrows all
off
over the
good.
place.
It started off good like that.
Staring.
He thinks it's him that's killing all these people because he knows he can transform into this thing, but it's not, and he's blaming himself and he's dealing with it. Starts off great, then it just goes. It's like Transformers
the baby,
2.
the baby, the baby, the baby.
It's like
the
Transformers
baby, the
2.
baby. It's like I'm listening.
Ridiculous.
It's like I'm listening.
Yes.
It's like I'm listening to Justin Bieber. The baby, the baby, the baby, 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 baby.
Ooh,
Or you're
baby,
just
Ooh,
baby,
baby, baby, baby.
It's like Transformers 2. I think that says it all.
But look,
It
Jay.
is. It has a great start, and it just nothing happens.
It
Then
shit
raise
I don't think it
itself.
had that great of a start. It was fine.
No, it had a good setting. They could have done something with that. I love what they were going for, and then just stopped. It was like, what
Also,
is this?
I have to point this out. I don't think anyone's mentioned this, but that design for Shin is like
Atrocious?
whenever his mouth is moving and the face is up close, it looks derpy as fuck. When
Especially the end when
on its own, when it's just standing there looking cool, you know, it looks fine. But when the face is like bulging for no,
it just
reason,
looks too
it's too stupid.
fake. You know?
On the other hand, the designs for J and ZO are really similar, but at the same time, there are little differences that make them, you know,
You could tell who's who.
tell. You know, like ZO has that Peter Pan shoes. He has a yellow trim. His helmet's a little less polished. Jay, he's Green Rider. He's
He's got the
environmental
little
rider.
green straps thing
He
going
cares.
on.
He's the Earth Rider for your Earth.
It's for your health,
For your
for the health of the earth.
For your Earth. About ZO and Jay, I think those movies are as good as any Kamen Rider movies have been released since 2000. They're great. They're like really fun. I recommend them to anyone. I didn't expect myself to enjoy them that much, but they were great. Don't watch Shin unless you want some laughs, but don't watch it by yourself. It's not the worst. It's not the worst thing I've ever seen, but I can't find a good reason for anyone to watch it unless they really like. I said this before. I think Kyle was having his review, but it's B movie, The Fly. Not even B movie. It's like C movie. There's one thing I liked about Shin though. The fucking lady with the fucking fingernails and the lady who spoke English. She reminded me of Tommy Wiseau.
That was terrible.
Tommy Wiseau with a bazooka and sexy Japanese body. You know, I like it.
Sexy Japanese
I
body.
think we should capture him.
Very excited.
It was like that.
And captures in quotes.
It was so silly.
I think
We will
should
finish
capture
Shin.
him.
I think we will finish Shin.
That was.
Let's
Don't
dance.
even ask.
Don't even ask. She sounds like Tommy Wiseau. Also, should we know we haven't talked about the house that drips blood on Alex?
Just close off first on this one, on this chapter of our lives.
If you hit the J, you'll be okay.